Right there, Reese. You all sorted for NUS Wales next week?
Hello, Anne. Yeah, no, not bad. I do need to think about how to get there, though.
I'll tell you what, I mean, we could just go on a tandem, really.
We could, what, me and you? Cycle?
Yeah, get some miles in.
It's a pretty long way, but I think, it'd be good for our, healthy living campaign.
It'd be absolutely fantastic.
Hello.
Hello, Chris.
How are you doing?
Good, thanks, mate. How are you?
Good. I'm going to. You're going to the conference in Newport.
We are going to Newport. You're going to Newport?
Yeah, I'm going to Newport.
Why are you going to Newport?
I've been nominated for the NUS Wales Student of the Year.
That is absolutely fantastic.
Oh, amazing.
Well done, Chris.
Thanks.
So, we can't do the tandem anymore. We have to think of something else.
Guys, I think I need a lift to Newport.
You're coming to Newport as well?
Yeah, I've been shortlisted as Student Journalist of the Year.
Wow, this is amazing. That's 3 nominations for Bangor already. So, we can't go by bike, maybe car though. 4 of us, we can go by car. I don't mind driving.
Okay,
It'll be fine. We'll drive to Newport.
Hey, did you say Newport?
We did say Newport.
Oh, we're going to Newport too.
You're coming to Newport?
Yeah.
How come you're going?
We've been nominated as Course Rep of the Year. Both of us have.
This is fantastic. Marta and Martin, Course Rep of the Year. Brilliant. We're going to need an MPV.
We can get an MPV, we've got one of those.
It's okay. It's fine though, because
It's fine.
we're not going to get any more nominations, are we?
No, that's plenty, I think.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're heading down to Newport as well.
You're coming to Newport?
Yeah.
How come you guys are coming to Newport?
Well, we're Jog Sock. Don't you know who you are?
Jog Sock.
Jog Sock, yeah.
Jock sock?
And what have you been nominated for?
Society of the Year.
Society of the Year. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to need a minibus.
Yep, we can do a minibus, that's
We can
fine.
do a minibus. Come on then, guys. Let's go and find a
get a
minibus. Okay, but that's it now, yeah?
Okay, we can't fit anyone else on the minibus. I mean,
So, Staff Member of the Year,
Yep.
Journalist of the Year,
Yep,
Course Rep of the Year,
Yep.
Student of the Year, Society
Yep.
of the Year. That is it, yeah?
yep, and we can fit someone on the roof rack.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not a problem at all.
Anyone else that we need?
Hang on. Who are
Hold
these
on.
guys?
I've just remembered, Reese. We've been nominated for Student Union of the Year.
Student Union of the Year.
I think we're going to need a train now.
Come on, guys. Come on, Bangor. Let's go to Newport, win some awards. Let's go. Really get everything.